The VT Turfgrass Field Day is a culmination of another year's worth of research efforts that have been put on by the entire Virginia Tech Turfgrass team. And this is a field day that celebrates what have we learned that we can now share with our end users, most of them being the industry professionals in Virginia. You know, turfgrass research is working with such a simple plant that it surprises people sometimes when we really think about, well, just what is this plant involved in? It works as a community, not one plant, but literally millions of plants together. And we get to work with systems, with chemistry, with equipment that is basically figuring out how to make that community best collaborate and cooperate together to provide something that not only looks good, but also is doing good things for the environment as well.
So we've got a variety of things that we're looking at this year's field day. We have 3 different tracks that all of our attendees can choose to follow. Golf course superintendents, for sports field managers, and then for lawn care and sod growers. We have things out this year such as a drone sprayer where we have people who are focusing on going out to make targeted applications. We have people using liquid nitrogen and lasers trying to kill weeds, so various technologies to map and to spray what we need to spray, where we need to spray it, and when we need to spray it.
Or you have a lush Bermuda field.
So my research today was looking at thermal imagery for pest stress mapping. Specifically, we're looking at localized dry spot, which isn't a traditional pest, but it's a condition that can affect the soil. So I was kind of showing how thermal imagery can help to highlight those spots, and then, like the rest of my research, build pest maps and kind of figure out where those areas are and how best to kind of treat them.
One of our nicest things about the 50th anniversary was we were able to get back 3 of what the current VT Turf team would consider to be the founding fathers of the VT Turfgrass program. That's Dr. Dick Schmidt, Dr. Jack Hall, and Dr. David Chalmers. And it's really cool to have people with a lot of experience that still can't get away from Blacksburg. They simply want to come back home.